Video to.
gagawin.
So ano?
It means that our teams are fluent in AI.
Just around the corner, and you know what that means.
Gosh. We're making coffee.
Man mo nga, parang normal lang na.
Neil!
Okay, you got 3 seconds. 2, 3, and freeze.
Woo!
It is a heads and a tail.
We're at a workshop, but hindi gumagana yung wifi. Bea! Say hi!
Ano yan?
It's a...
Very tita.
Oh.
Video ba yan?
Say hi!
Looped into these different projects, but there's no common ground and no opportunity to actually participate as one whole. It's always being looped in.
Ano si Isan?
I miss Neil. Neil, miss ka na namin.
Neil is a mythical creature.
Oh, siya. Work date tayo. Work date is now. That's na may laptop oh.
It's kinda chic too. Ang bilis lumuma. Oo, medyo parang hindi na siya...
Ganon.
Oo, kaya yung as in mga... Yeah, and the walls are
Wait lang. We're on our way to Greenbelt because we're gonna have dinner. Ay, over. Anong ginagawa mo? Ba't ganun ka mag...
Anong pinag-uusap?
Tuwang-tuwa, Dani.
Kasi naman.
familiar family kinento pa nga.
Nakita ni Gian yung vlog.
Kasi nga, kapag niloloko ko siya na pinag-uusapan ka na, sabi niya, ay, thank you.
Neil, we miss you. Gian, ikaw hindi masyado. Sabi namang usok yan, man.
Hindi mo kasi yada dapat nila ngayon.
Bye!
Humans, for the most part, don't have a clue. They don't want one or need one either. They're happy. They think they have a
Every single time.
Well, why the big secret? People are smart. They can handle it. The person is smart. People are dumb, panicky, dangerous animals, and you know it. 1,500 years ago, everybody knew the Earth was the center of the universe. 500 years ago, everybody knew the Earth was flat. 15 minutes ago, you knew people were alone on this planet.
She's talking to her son. It's my araw na. Here are my friends, Gian and Kisan. This is their dog, Bobby.
I want my life, I want my work, my family, I want it to mean something. And it's like, it has, if you are not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your
Today
time.
is so nice. It was organized. Yeah, we were blessed. Laki naman. We're at the K-Back. Ano sabihin K-Back? Korean Visa Application Center. Because we just got our visa. Mga bagay na ano, San? Mga bagay na hindi nakakashik. Bye-bye, Rama. Bawal nga eh. Tanga. Nasaan na siya?
Sino yung mahihirap mga...
Ano si Daddy?
Di ba daw?
Di ba? vivid shot. Nang nilamos, oh. Yan nga, di ba? Tapos mayroong mga need dyan. Look at the weather. Long weekend is now. Busy siya.
Okay, I live in the worst kind of hotel. This can sound weird, but...
Don't be scared. Kasi nasa likod.
Station personnel. The ITX station.
Hey, don't do that face. Just be cute. Like this. How about a smile?
Kasi hindi din alam niyo minsan until nitong minute. Evil genius.
Ano naman yan?
Meron ding killer.
Tapos?
Tapos pa...
Ay! Oh my God! Ano yan? Naging movie din yan. 30 Minutes or Less with Jesse Eisenberg.
Mommy and me.
Why?
I'm looking at the camera.
Like this?
Like,
Why? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you busy? Why are you busy? Why are you busy? No! Straight from Bali. Nabaliw si Tanga.
Ay, yung
walang magandang sunset na nasa bahay.
The whole time?